there, Tiwi. Did you know what our tūwhana Māori used as their data hubs before Uncle Google was around? It's all in here. In the carvings and the tukutuku panels, they hold the intricacies of who we are as Māori. This is one of many ways Mātauranga was passed on through the generations.
So, Mātauranga usually translates to knowledge. It also refers to wisdom and understanding.
We young people can be empowered by rich and diverse forms of Mātauranga. Am I allowed to wink?
From books to podcasts to YouTube, the environment, even listening to others such as our kaumātua, our elders, it can be incredibly powerful when made meaningful for rangatahi. Of course, as you know, rangatahi have a lot of mātauranga to offer, other than how to gauge soft lighting for selfies, right, Nui?
You know it, all for the gram. Things like personal experience, research, cultural knowledge, and ideals and beliefs valued by young people in their whānau can be super beneficial.
So good information is useful, is evidence-based, it honours Indigenous thinking, and is made understandable for all of us.
We strengthen Mātauranga by weaving together these different forms of knowledge and making them relevant to the decisions that face our young people in their whānau.
True knowledge is experienced. Until then, it's just information. Nō reira kia kaha ki te whāngai I ngā whiako me ngā kōrero e huama.
Keep feeding knowledge and experiences to our young people in creative ways. Mauri ora.